Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram desktop not connecting on your PC. If Telegram is stuck on connecting or unable to connect to the internet, this method can help. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then click Settings. Now open the Advanced section and click Connection Type. This will open the proxy settings window. If Telegram is having connection problems, select Disable Proxy. This turns off any proxy connection that may be causing the issue. You can also choose Use System Proxy Settings if your computer uses a system proxy. For most users, Disable Proxy is the recommended option when Telegram is not connecting. After selecting the option, click Close. Now completely close Telegram desktop and open it again. Telegram will try to reconnect using the updated network settings. If the connection problem continues, check your internet connection and restart your computer. In many cases, changing the proxy setting and restarting Telegram can solve the not connecting problem. That's how you can fix Telegram desktop not connecting on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.